Today, we're diving into the awesome world of coding with Scratch. Scratch is like a digital playground where you create games, animations, and stories. It's super easy to use even if you've never coded before. Think of it like building with Lego blocks, but instead of bricks, we use colorful blocks of code. These blocks snap together to make your characters move, talk, and interact. Ready to become a game creator? Let's get started. In Scratch, our characters are called sprites. They can be anything you imagine: a cat, a spaceship, even a talking banana. You can choose from a library of ready-made sprites or draw your own. It's like having a cast of characters ready to perform in your game. Each sprite has its own set of instructions called scripts. These scripts tell the sprite what to do and when to do it. Ready to bring your sprites to life? Let's learn how to write their scripts. Every game needs a backdrop, right? In Scratch, we call this the stage. You can choose from different backgrounds like a forest, a city, or outer space. You can even upload your own pictures to make it super personalized. Think of the stage as the setting for your game. It's where all the action happens. Now that we have our stage set, it's time to make our sprites do something amazing. Now comes the fun part, making our sprites move. We do this by writing scripts. Scripts are like instructions written in a language that Scratch understands. Don't worry, it's super easy. We use colorful blocks that snap together like puzzle pieces. Each block represents an action, like move 10 steps or say hello. By connecting these blocks, we create a sequence of actions that our sprites will follow. Let's try it out. Section 5, our first game. Catch the falling apples. Ready to make your first game? Let's create a simple game where you catch falling apples in a basket. First, choose a basket sprite and place it at the bottom of the stage. Next, choose an apple sprite. We'll use a special block called Forever to make the apple fall continuously from the top. Now use the arrow keys to move the basket left and right to catch the falling apples. See? You just created your first game in Scratch. How cool is that? Section 6. Level up, adding challenges and fun. Now let's make our game even more exciting. We can add a score, sound effects, and even make the game more challenging. Every time the basket catches an apple, we can increase the score by 1. If an apple misses the basket, the game can end, or we can lose a life. We can also add cool sound effects, like a chomp sound when the apple lands in the basket. The possibilities are endless. Use your imagination and creativity to make your game unique and fun. Section 7. Mistakes happen, but we learn from them. Don't worry if your code doesn't work perfectly the first time. Making mistakes is a part of learning. Scratch makes it easy to find and fix errors. The blocks will highlight if something is wrong, and you can easily rearrange them. Remember, even the best coders started somewhere. The key is to keep practicing and experimenting. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what happens. You'll be surprised by what you can create. Section 8. Scratch, your gateway to the world of coding. Learning Scratch is like opening a door to the exciting world of coding. It teaches you the basic concepts of programming like logic, problem solving, and creativity. These skills are valuable not just for creating games, but also for many other fields like animation, web development, and even robotics. So, keep exploring, keep creating, and who knows, you might just become the next tech superstar. Section 9. Keep creating and have fun. Most importantly, have fun with it. Scratch is all about exploring your imagination and bringing your ideas to life. Share your creations with friends and family, and see what amazing things they come up with too. Remember, the only limit is your creativity, so keep coding, keep creating, and never stop learning. Happy coding! Catch you in the next video.